Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I want to welcome you today and welcome back if you're returning. I ran over to the dollar spot at Target. I picked up a few things here for the fall season. I'm going to go home, show you what I bought. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing with these finds from the Target dollar spot today. So let me show you really quick what I ended up buying at Target. I got the Hello Pumpkin pillow. This was in the dollar spot. This thing was $5. Super cute. And I mean, that's the size of my forearm there. So I thought this is gonna really work well. Well, I'll show you where I'm gonna put it here in just a minute. And then I bought ceramic pumpkins. They were $1 a piece. Well, I bought 3 of them. So I bought an orange. This is kind of the white with the I don't know what that is. So they're not really orange. They're orange, but they're more of a pumpkin pie orange. There you go. And these little green pumpkins. And I just love the colors. And then I bought, now these were $1 a piece. And then I bought this little wagon. Now this was $3 for this little just silver pale wagon with the black wheels. It all feels like metal. So this is going to be durable. I don't know how long this will actually last without rusting. You have to probably take care of that and make sure it doesn't get wet, and you pack it real, not, if you put it out in the weather, I think it would rust. But I don't know what I'll do with this, but I was thinking maybe something with these pumpkins. I haven't decided, but yep. So I also picked this up. It was $5, and it says, I love fall most of all. It's a cute little sign. It's got the white wooden frame. And the nice thing is you can turn it over and use it like this. I haven't decided how I'm going to use it, but you've got 2 ways to decorate with it. And I just think that's brilliant. So I don't know, I might use it like this, but I'm thinking it might go in my kitchen. I'm not sure yet, but you guys will see that here in just a little bit. And I also got this. Welcome to our home. It actually is an easel, so it does pull out. It's all metal. This was $5, so it does pull out. This is leather right up here. There's little holders, so that's a good price. I mean, you could hang it, but if you take this band off like this, then it actually opens up and you can stand it. So this says, welcome to our home. And on the other side, it says, every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you. Super, super cute. So I had to pick that up. That was, again, that was $5. So it's a brown. It's a dark, like a chocolate brown. So very cute. Not sure where I'm going to put this yet, but I have an idea. That's my haul, y'all. It is finally fall, and I am so excited. I'm actually really now getting in the mood to decorate, so you're going to see a little bit of that today. But first, I did want to just show you guys again some of these containers I got from my daughter. I am loving these things. I had no idea how great they are. They actually save a ton of room in my pantry. And I just put the regular things that we buy, on a regular basis, like these particular crackers. There's John. He is home today, by the way. And I love wheat thins, as you can see. And John loves Triscuits. So those are 2 things that go in the containers. And then, of course, John's oatmeal. He loves this oatmeal and has it on the weekends. I am going to make some sun tea. I am loving my sun tea, guys. I drink it about every day. I just throw this in the sun for about 4 hours, and that's what I've been drinking. It's decaf, and it is so good. I buy it in bulk at Sam's Club. It's one of the few things I do get at Sam's Club, and we just don't shop there quite as much as we used to with just the 2 of us now. But as you can see, I have these 2 big boxes. Now this one box here, I'm going to fit that entire box of tea bags in this container that's really half the size of that box. And you can look right in there and see what's in there. So that's what I'm doing here. and I'm loving it. So we're going to finish up this, and then I'm going to take you guys through the house. We're just going to wipe down a little bit some of the surfaces. I'm going to decorate, and then at the end I will show you guys exactly what I end up doing. Got my robot going there, and Roscoe just he does not like it at all. You're going to notice at the end I add a little table here in my kitchen, so look for that. I don't mention it later, but look for it. You'll see it in upcoming videos. I'm going to talk more about that later. Let's get into just a little bit of cleaning here and decorating. I'll let you guys just watch. I'm going to put on some music, and I'll be back here in just a minute.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. On my mind, you stay to keep me up at night. Can't explain it, I just know. I never felt more alive. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side.
So this is what I ended up doing in my dining area. I have my pine cones up here. I added some lights. I always keep these lights in my china cabinet. They're a little flashy, so hopefully you guys can see those. I have not done the top of my china cabinet right now. It just has a few odds and ends up there because it's in limbo. I did change out the placemats for this tablecloth for now. I really like this better. But I need a centerpiece for my table, so I'm going to have to go look for something for my table now. And I still have my Target Dollar Tree or my Target Haul dollar spot here, these pumpkins with my wagon. And then I added this picture of the kids. I love this picture, and I always get it out and put it somewhere during the fall season. So I really think that helped give this a nice little, it just made it pop with this white pumpkin. And then I added my leaf little placemat there on top of my table. And then I added my little pumpkins over here to my big chair. That's one of Roscoe's favorite places to stay. I'm still working on my piano top here. I've been messing around with it, so it's not done. I'm going to have to, that's to be continued. But I do love the way this came out. I love this. I want a bigger candle in here, but for now I've got that. And so right now these quails were from my mother-in-law, so I always put them out during fall. I love these. They're one of my kids' favorite things, and John loves to see these because they belong to his mother. And you know, I'm gonna somehow change this big gather sign. I'm not sure what to do with that. I'm not really wanting that there anymore. I have my bless our home sign here, and I've got an idea for this space, but I'm gonna have to put some more holes in the wall to do it, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna get to that, but I do have some ideas for here, so stay tuned. But I love this, I love how this turned out, and I'll continue to change things around as I go and show you guys what I'm doing for my fall decor. And I hung this picture here in the kitchen, and it looks really nice. I'm gonna leave it there for a while. Hope you guys got some value out of today's video. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart?